Hi there, and welcome to an SMB Solutions Cloud Services tips and tricks video. To make your printing faster, we have a new solution for you that you can utilize, which is called ThinPrint. So in order to do that, you need to go to our login portal for our cloud. Now you go here by bringing up your web browser and typing in http://gateway.smbsolutions.com.au/rdweb. Lovely. Now you'll see the login page here, but you want to continue down to the right hand side on your web links. Click ThinPrint Clients, and that'll bring up a separate page for you. Yes, we want to confirm that we want to continue through to the download area. Now most of you are going to be running on a Windows 64-bit, so you want to click on the download button on the right hand side with that option there. You'll see down the bottom it has automatically started downloading your zip drive, and you want to click open. Now once you're inside the zip drive, you want to select Setup ThinPrint. And yes, we want it to make changes. Lovely. Now what we want to do here is select your language. For us it's English. And that's going to start the installation process. Lovely. Now we want to click Next and accept the terms in the license agreement and Next. Now the only option we're really interested in here is the ThinPrint Client RDP, which is automatically selected for you here, and click Next and install. Now this is only going to take maybe a minute or two while it gets all the documents and everything ready for you. The good thing about this program is it does just run in the background, so you don't actually need to have it open to make your printing faster. Now once that's done, you want to click Finish. That finishes the setup wizard for you, and that's all done. Your ThinPrint is installed and ready to go.